Bucket it! Blessings and beatitude. Now, a teacher is willing to let us hear what a SKETEL sounds like, and I don't know if that is spelled correctly because I'm not acclimatized with such. And I'm not being disrespectful, but that's the best way I can describe a certain type of sound I'm hearing. And viewers, I did a previous video about them people from over there, so it take on my internet for over 2 weeks now. I never did one. Give me back. And in that video, I said something like, them born in the 90s, so them young are mad. And I was referring to some representatives they have over the counter. Born in the 90s, so them young are mad was not aimed directly at every 90s baby. You understand me? It was a capricious statement that will automatically fit in when whenever he or she who was derived from such era displays a certain type of behavior that will confirm a definition of a general stigma that is assigned to their existence. So just like when we would have say the car them make nowadays no good, as they lean upon them sinking and dent up. But at the same time, we all know that durable cars are still on the market, but they are rare, a small percentage. So when some people are jump in on my messenger inbox and my Instagram DM cuss me out, no, I mean I was not categorizing all. But as for some of you, I understand that your level of IQ is not really the latest version. So maybe you need to check the Google Play Store or even the Apple Store for an update. So the next time around, you can be able to decipher the generalization of subliminality different from a direct castigation. And again, I'm not disrespecting anyone. However, the truth is the truth, and that is that. But remember, if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give our videos a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Bucket it! Now, back to the issue at hand. I'm going to let you hear a couple of voice notes said to be a teacher in defense mode, and then the analysis.
Report. Good afternoon, Mrs. Reed. You guys, see how you guys deal with things? Number one, what is bugging me? You and Mrs. Taylor are very unprofessional, especially Mrs. Taylor. How you guys handle the situation is not the correct way. When I was in the interview, you said that it was 38,000. And of course, I watched how you were behaving when I mistakenly say 30,000. Second of all, 30,000 can't pay nobody. And you are with fear school and a register. But you are your ugly man. An ugly looking tailor. An ugly looking tailor man. You don't think you can take people good righted picnic take ton idiot? Let me tell you this. You see you go at Sam Sharp, go and go work in your school. Cause none of you no shape like me. None of you no look like me, and none of you no educated more than me. So you see the 35,000, you can take it and push you up in on the batty hole and take you up back and near me. Tomorrow morning, I will be reporting that school to the Ministry of Education. So you can stay there and think so you go there, run school and in a register and underpay people and take how much lesson plan from people. I wish you happy dance with the lesson plan you get already. All viper, all cockroach, all sick a concubine the two of you. Two of you are shit. You not have to see me as a professional. You not have to employ me because I ain't go take you work on no place in the first place. Number one, on school no depend no map. On school no knowing. Nobody know how to work for no because the two of you are two set a concubine. The two of you are two set a two set of termite. Uno no want talk the truth. Say the teacher when did it, uno when they underpay, cause when she go in at the interview, uno tell her say how much she go pay, uno go pay her. And when she take the work, uno underpay the woman and they walk out the woman. But me have news here, you scrimmage, you underlooking privileged dog. You look like a dog what have mums. You look like a dog what want lamp pile. Let me tell you this. None of uno can underpay me and me work with uno. None of uno no have nothing bad to say about me. Can you see when they hype up a little nasty, sickening, shit house, sick to myself Thursday, or me humble and I watch you when I depend on the top of your voice, but 35,000 we have to pay, and 35,000 it is. You need to take you and buy some food and buy one buckle of lamp behind it. And back of that, buy one buckle of Grammar Zone. You know, see if you conduct yourself, oh, you talk to me Thursday, like me your daughter. You can't chat to your ugly looking daughter, your ugly looking man. So, me the carry the key good on your man workplace right now, go give him or tomorrow. So, make me know when in the day if you can't go give him. That me they make you know. Uno can't style nobody with no school and the palm map. Uno school no register. Nobody no know no school. Uno school I want little underprivileged broke down building and nobody no want go in. Much as uno school no have no name. The lady and ministry make sure call me Friday and say to me, if my name is on the thing, I must be careful how I go about this school and mind my reputation. Me no want no warning from ministry. Uno could have never get me for work on no place. But could pay you to about 35,000 you have to pay, and 35,000 it is. Yeah, nobody go take it 35,000 and buy one buckle of lamp pile. But could pay uno. Uno, you feel about shit. Make me know when uno go get, make me know when fi go carry key go give your man. Or me left ya, me go left key a Barney Street police station, go pick up that day. Feel about shit house and kiss me ass pan back of that too. Shouldn't be the one telling me about unprofessionalism because you not professional. You're not dressed professional. Your face not look nowhere near professional. And guess what? You not talk to people professional. So you see when they correct people, check yourself. Check yourself. And you go chat about how we go look on me fi underpay me. You need to go sit back in the drawing book. You need to go back, go turn up in the drawing line. And you need to go back, go rebound over your ugly looking same thing like when dog one lamp pile. Come off of my phone. But you want correct. I'm going to out your man batty will and take the 35,000 and go buy some tablets, some iron tablet and vitamin and Perital and some food and some corn meal and some lamp pile and Grammar Zone behind that all drunk. Anybody you want to listen to advice note, I mean no response.
So, I don't hear from yourself, but it seems as if this lady's expectations were not met, and according to her utterances, her qualifications are way better than the position she was vying for. So why did you apply in the first place if you're of a higher quality? Why did you drop your guard and stoop lower than your level? Is it because you're desperate for something to do and a job is hard to get? That is what I would really like to ask her. Or the truth is, you're all fired up because you didn't get the position, and anger is the only way you could vent your disgust or disappointment. So even if you're not pleased with the outcome of something you once had high expectations about, as a teacher yourself, you should know how to conduct yourself and weigh your words as to the distance you'll go to get your point across, and not lowering your standard and demoralizing your image, because that will only cannibalize your personality and let you seem less of who you say you are, and that is not good. So this is why we see our children are displaying all sort of derogatory or derogative behavior coming out of certain homes where some of us would consider to be respectful based on who their parents are and as to the job title. But nowadays that is no more, because as we see, persons have no respect whatsoever for whatever position he or she holds in society anymore. They are just going about doing them by putting their personal raw out there. So basically it is not much of a shocker anymore. And whenever we see Pastor Pitney, Teacher Pitney, Lawyer Pitney, Doctor Pitney, or even Police Pitney creating all sort of havoc out there in the street, I mean, don't be surprised, because as we know, the grass is not always greener on the other side. And this is a clear example that their parents are not always good at parenting. Some of them lack even the simplest parenting skills. So a full time, some will stop from praise people and start to praise God if you believe in Christianity. So the truth is the truth, and like always, that is that. But remember, if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give our videos a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Buck at it.